Alright, fellas. This is it. Got a hole in the damn muffler, but other than that, no exhaust leaks, all quiet. You can actually hear my fuel injectors fire. You know what I'm saying? I wrapped that up all nice and neat. We still ain't done though. Still gotta get mirrors, front windshield, back windshield. We gotta start on the interior. I mean, it's not a bad truck. Do not get it twisted. She's not. So we just gotta do some work. A little moat work. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get that window fixed. Listen to a purr. You know what I mean? All in all, boys, I'd say we're good to start the next phase.